So how does the Innovation Challenge work? What's the timeline? What can people win? What are the prizes? The Innovation Challenge will provide rewards of up to $2 million for ideas on market shaping in the areas of pandemic preparedness and climate change. It's divided into two phases. In phase one, we're looking for ideas, and people submit ideas. We have a website to submit those. The prize there is $4,000 for the best ideas. The deadline for submission is July 21st. Winners will be announced August 25th. In total, up to $500,000 will be available for the sum of these prizes. So that's phase one. Phase two, in a sense, this is the accelerator part of it. We'll take the most promising ideas and share those with our experts in both contract design and the subject domains. And they're going to work, and we'll work with the submitters to try to turn these into a well-developed pull mechanism. And we'll try to secure match these programs with funders that will fund it. Up to $400,000 is available to defray startup costs, and up to $1.1 million as an incentive prize for the top idea. The timeline for phase two, the finalists will be announced January 15th, 2024. And the winners will be announced May 15th, 2024. The $2 million is not for the winning prize. The $2 million is the total prize purse that's divided between payments made in phase one and also phase two payments. So there's up to some of that $2 million will be devoted to, there's a part of that $500,000 that will be up to that will be available for paying these $4,000 prizes for the ideas that come in phase one. And the remaining part of that $2 million total fund will be allocated to phase two projects. Up to $400,000 will be available for to help defray the startup costs at this stage, and up to $1.1 million is the prize for the winners ultimately of the Innovation Challenge. But we think that, in a sense, this prize purse, the $2 million that are involved in the payment for milestone payments and the ultimate winner of the challenge, is really a small part of the incentives. A lot of people are going to be submitting ideas, are interested in the solutions that are going to be produced in the space. And so potentially a far bigger prize is going to be the support that the Market Shaping Accelerator provides along the way to develop these ideas to a full-fledged pull mechanism. And we'll work with the submitters and ultimately with the winners to actually run those competitions, to get those innovations made. We'll try to match them with funders. There, we're thinking that the funding for these pull mechanisms is not going to be, small potatoes like $2 million. We're thinking of much larger amounts in the tens, hundreds of millions, or potentially billions of dollars that some of these really large-scale, world-changing innovations are going to need.